Tanzania says, faulty, WHO test kits showed coronavirus in a goat and a pawpaw. The WHO has rejected Tanzania President John Magufuli's suggestion that COVID-19 tests are faulty. AAP. Tanzanian President John Magufuli's assertions that coronavirus tests in the country are faulty have been rejected by the World Health Organization. The World Health Organization has rejected claims by Tanzanian President John Magufuli that coronavirus tests in his country have been faulty. "We are convinced that the tests are not contaminated with the virus," WHO Africa Director Matshidiso Moeti said in a media briefing. The statement comes after Mr. Magufuli on Sunday said Tanzania's COVID-19 test kits had been defective, as they had provided positive results after tests from a goat and a pawpaw fruit had been submitted. Dr. John Nkangasom, director of the Africa Centers for Disease Control (CDC), said Tanzania was using test kits supplied by the Africa CDC in collaboration with the Chinese Jack Ma Foundation, which met international standards. "Tanzania is using the same test that everyone is using," Dr. Nkangasom said, noting that it was improbable the tests were faulty. Tanzania meanwhile suspended the director and quality control manager of its national laboratory pending an investigation after the allegedly faulty results, the health ministry said in a statement. Mr. Magufuli's response to the coronavirus pandemic has received much criticism, as the East African country has implemented few measures to curb the spread of the virus. Social distancing is hardly practiced in Tanzania, where mosques and churches remain open. Mr. Magufuli has also suggested praying and herbal steam baths could help prevent infection. Tanzania has reported 480 coronavirus cases so far. Let's beat the coronavirus by continuing maintaining social distancing. Let common sense prevail. Stay well. Advice from Chief Drino.